மும்பை குண்டுவெடிப்பு சம்பவத்திற்கு பொறுப்பேற்று அப்போதைய பிரதமர் மன்மோகன் சிங் மன்னிப்பு கேட்டார். ஆனால் பாஜக ஆட்சியில் புல்வாமா, பஹல்காம் உள்ளிட்ட தொடர் தீவிரவாத தாக்குதல் சம்பவங்கள் நடந்தும் விஸ்வகுரு என கூறிக்கொள்ளும் பிரதமர் மோடி என்ன பாடம் கற்றுக்கொண்டார் என மக்களவையில் ஆபரேஷன் சிந்தூர் விவாதத்தில் சரமாரியாக விளாசியிருக்கிறார் திமுக எம்பி கனிமொழி.
Sir, today it's become a blame game. Even the Home Minister in his speech was only intent and only concentrating on blaming the opposition. You should understand, and as you proudly say, you are here in power the third term. And yesterday, the Home Minister in one of his interventions said that we are going to be here for another 20 years. We don't mind being here for another 20 years. In democracy, the people are the greatest and they are the supreme power. If people want to keep us here, we will bow our head in front of them and stay here. But it should not be the Election Commission and SIR which is keeping us here. And we need to protect democracy. That I hope that the next discussion will be about protecting democracy and the election system in this country. Sir, you keep talking about the Prime Minister was there in Tamil Nadu. Suddenly they've discovered, before every election they discover great love and pride in Tamil culture. But just a few months before that, they do not want to accept the greatness of the Keeladi findings. You do not want us to talk about the greatness of Tamil Nadu, where our Chief Minister says that from Tamil Nadu is where the history of India shall be written. But you came to Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Remember the name, Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Gangaiயை கொண்டவனவன், கங்கையை வென்றவனவன், தமிழன் கங்கையை வெல்லுவான், நினைவில் வைத்துக் கொள்ளுங்கள். Sir, you keep saying that you are Vishwaguru. I want to know, what did the Vishwaguru, every time there is an attack, this is not the first time. Just this year, in May 24, in Jaipur there was an attack. Again, pilgrims, because of 33 of them were injured and 9 people died because of terrorist attack. Again in October, there was an attack. In November, there was an attack in Srinagar. And in April, Pahalgam. In Pulwama, they brought 240 kgs of RDX. We don't have any answers. Every time there is an attack, you say it will not happen again. What has the Vishwaguru learned? Vishwaguru is not teaching anybody anything. But what have you learned? You have not even learned humility. When Mumbai attacks happened, the Prime Minister of this country came out and apologized to the people of this country, saying that this should not have happened and we should have prevented it. Learn the humility from him. He is no more. Who takes responsibility for what happened to the people in Pahalgam? They were innocent tourists. They believed you, trusted you, and came there thinking it is a safe place. But they lost their lives, their loved ones. Have you reached out to these victims actually? What compensation has the union government given them? Everything, responsibility is shifted to the state governments. It's the state governments who have to take care of them. What has the union government done? Nothing. When we went to Spain, it was so heartening to see that the government was supporting NGOs, organizations, which were taking care of more than 4,000 terror victims. These terror victims are not only the people who die or lose limbs. It is the families. It is their children. The pain is there for generations. What have you done for the terror victims of this country? Do we have such organization? Do we have such support groups? But even if there are support groups, you will say the funding is coming from somewhere, something else. It is some religious conversion and you will be arresting people. You will not be supporting it.